Hold this. Hold this now.
The cook is in the kitchen.
Now you guys know where Shauna gets her craziness from. From my dad. So guys, I'm here with my dad. He's gonna make some stew pork today.
Make jerk pork.
Oh, sorry. Jerk? I thought it was stew pork. You changed it?
Yeah.
Jerk pork. He already started. I was trying to catch while he was putting the ingredients in, but he'll just tell you guys what he did. So we got Chef Mike.
Yeah. What I'm gonna make today, I'm gonna make jerk pork. What I have in here, I've diced onion. I have jerk seasoning powder, Cool Runnings, I like it. Jerk sauce, jerk seasoning. Cool. Walker's Wood is really good. Spicy though, really spicy.
We love spicy food though.
Good. So what I did was get it all in the pork, let's get it all mixed up. And I actually added soy sauce as well with that to get that color. You get any kind of soy sauce that you really like. I have some sugar.
Dark brown sugar.
Red Path. A little sweetness, a little sourness to it, nice and spicy. Just rub it all in there. It's winter time, so I'm not gonna really go outside and grill. So there's another way. You just put it in the oven, put it on broil. And we have our baking tin here. Everyone gotta have one of these.
Everybody.
If you don't have one of these, you can buy the foil ones. The foil ones work good. Just cover it up with foil paper and you're good.
And we made it sit for a little, right?
I seasoned it for a couple hours. 2 hours that is seasoned. So now I'm just gonna get it all up in the oven.
How good that looks.
I just add a little water to the bottom. I don't want it to dry out, that's why I add the water. Because I have my oven on full blast on boil. So I let it boil for about 20 minutes. I keep checking it every 20 minutes, flipping it over. And I'm actually gonna start it covered. I start in the oven covered.
How much is it at?
450.
We put it at 450 degrees
Broil.
broil.
So I let it go for like half an hour first, and after half an hour I check it every 20 minutes. The whole process should probably take like an hour and a half. I'm also going to make some rice and peas, but I'm not going to use the traditional way. I'm going to go with the canned peas.
We're trying to speed it up.
Speed it up a little bit.
Usually if we're doing the one in the bag, we usually start it like from in the day. We boil it from in the day, right?
We just put in the pressure cooker.
Yeah, we put in the pressure cooker, but we're just going to be using the can today, you know, because it's a little late in the evening. And the one in the can's already pre-cooked, so... Yeah. My dad didn't take no cooking. He didn't go to cooking school or anything. He learned how to cook from his mom, his grandma, and mostly by himself. He likes to try different things. Like he made this pizza one time and it had like strawberries on it. It looked so good. It looked different, but it looked so good. I'm gonna see if I can insert a picture of it and show.
And I made that you're away, weren't you?
Was I?
Yeah, you're Jamaica, I think.
You guys should check out his what's your Instagram again? Chef_.
_chef_ Mike.
Oh, check out his Instagram. He has a lot of different like meals that he prepares. It's _chef_Mike.
Yeah.
Rice and peas. So we got little.
So I just open the can and dump it all in there. Usually when you use the canned peas, you don't get that real red rice and peas, but it's red enough and it tastes good still. But
Yeah. And there's water in the pot already too.
yeah,
right?
add water. So I'm gonna let this boil for about 10 minutes so it comes together. So I season my rice and peas with a little chicken broth mix. You can use any chicken broth mix. I just like this one. I use this one in a lot of stuff.
What does
So
that
like
do?
2 teaspoons, 2 tablespoons.
What does that do?
Flavor. Like I don't put salt in there, I use that. Fresh thyme. Just put a little twig. Just throw it in there. Get some garlic, just one garlic. Crush it. I crush it. Look the way I crush it. I crush it and just paste it out. Just paste it out. And come back together like that. It's already crushed. It's nice. I hate having big chunks of garlic in my food, so I just crush it to paste and still dice it a little bit. And just throw that in your water. Just throw it in there. I like to season with onions too in my rice and peas. I'm gonna put some ginger, fresh ginger in my rice and peas. I just slice pieces, a simple slice like this, just drop it in.
By the way, if you're a big ginger tea fan like I am, it's always nice to buy the ginger like this and just boil it on the stove. The best ginger tea you'll ever have. I feel like onion is like one of the main ingredients you have to have when you're cooking.
Yes, I love cooking with onions. You cook with onion, ginger, and garlic, you can smell that from a mile away. If you just put it in the oil and just cook it alone, it's so important to have lots of onions in your food. Just cut as fine as you can. That's it, just a half. So we just put it in there, let it boil. You have Scotch bonnet pepper. Just give it a rinse and just drop it in there.
I love when rice and peas has that taste. It has like the pepper taste, but it's not pepper. If you're from the Caribbean, rice and peas is like a typical dish that you have on Sunday. Like it's those Sunday meals. You don't really have like white rice, or usually have like, well, we do at least. We have like rice and peas and something.
It's traditional Jamaican. It's coconut cream. You put this in your red pea soup too. You could put this in chicken soup.
Tin mackerel.
You could put it in. You could put it in your fish, steamed fish. You could put it in shrimps.
Oh yeah, curry shrimp.
So I just put half inside. And get that nice coconut taste from my rice. And we just cover that. I let that cook for about 10 minutes before I put my rice in.
And remember guys, this is the canned peas. That's why it's only 10 minutes. It's already pre-cooked.
If I was using the dry red peas, it would take me like half an hour to pressure cooker it. Put in a pressure cooker to cook it to get soft, but I don't have the time right now to do that one. But the canned peas work just the same. I like to put a little oil in my rice and peas.
Why?
It kind of helps the rice not to be too clammy or stick to the bottom of the pot. Sneak preview coming along. It's only 10 minutes in. If you could only smell that.
It smells so good, guys.
They're gonna have smell TV soon. Remember?
They are.
Smell TV.
It smells so good.
Okay, this is the rice and peas water. I haven't put my rice in yet, but it's just boiling it all together. Now I'm getting ready to put my rice in now. See that nice color you get? And I'm gonna give you a sneak peek at my pork, my jerk pork. So I'm just gonna flip them over so the other side gets nice and brown too. Give another half an hour on broil. I'm gonna use white rice for my rice and peas. I always gotta wash your rice. Wash off some of the starch. I'm averaging it. I'm gonna use like 2 cups of rice. That's 1 cup of rice.
That's not 1 cup of rice.
It's 1 cup of rice. That's 2.5 cup of rice.
That's like 3.
Okay.
We're a big family, guys.
Yeah. Give it a nice stir. I like to put less water than the rice because it's always easier to add water than taking water out. Put too much water and make your rice nice and soft, too soppy. Even though some people like the rice soppy.
And some people like it grainy.
And some people like it, they call it trashy. That tastes good, so I turn my stove down and just cover it up, leave it. Should be done in 20 minutes. See the rice and peas coming along quite nice. You have your pepper still there, it's not burst. Make sure you don't burst the pepper, it'll be spicy as heck. To your thyme, I dropped the thyme in there. With the leaves, no leaves now.
The ginger is still there.
The ginger is still here, giving nice flavor. You should smell this. I'm so mad. I wish they had smell TV. You guys could actually get a good whiff of this stuff here, buddy. So it's down low. Low as possible.
Make sure I don't catch your toes.
Catch the toe them. The toe them pretty. You know how far them toe you carry me go and carry me come back. But look like me need a pedicure. A pedicure and manicure.
Pedicure.
A manicure.
Pedicure.
Pedicure.
Yeah.
That means a dog lick your toe. Dog lick your toe. Me see one thing where they put your foot in one thing and then some fish in the water.
Clean your feet, yeah. That's like in Thailand or something like that.
The fish them is eating your foot. That's not nice.
The poor fish.
Poor fish.
When the food's just taking too long to cook. I'm joking.
That's the second turn. I already turned it on the one side already. This is the second side. So we have jerk pork coming up there.
How much longer?
We have another half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah, it's been on broil for now for the past 40 minutes. Just to get the coloring on stuff. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let it get a bit more darker. Then I'm gonna put on bake.
Oh my god, they had to bake it? This is crazy.
Yeah, it's pork. When you're cooking pork, you can't fool around. You gotta make sure pork
Cook good.
cook good.
Good up.
Pork fit cook good.
I don't think this is gonna work out with me and you because recording and then smelling the food is making me more hungry.
Hush, man. It's gonna taste all that better when you're eating.
Minus the fat, the skin though.
The skin is nice. Some people love his skin. The kin. People love his skin.
Me either.
Rice is all nice and done.
Quick and easy, guys.
There you go. The pepper is still here. It's not burst. Still intact. Smell that?
Hold this. Hold this now?
The cook is in the kitchen.
Like, hold it up. God, when you're teaching your dad how to vlog.
Well, you know, so my birthday is coming up very soon, you know, because me is the 13th of December. So, you know, so the birthday is coming up a couple days from now. I think I went Tuesday or so. Tuesday I'll be like the absolute big age, big people thing. You don't know. The chef is in the kitchen and the food is in the oven. Good to go. No plate at the cupboard. Belly hungry. Up.
But say happy Vlogmas Day 10.
Alright,
11.
happy Vlogmas Day 11.
Vlogmas.
Vlogmas or happy Vlogmas. Happy V blog. All of the blog thing them. The blog cloth. The blog cloth, yeah, bother me for. The blog sure. Let me cuss by the way, you know. New word for the time. Blog cloth.
Now you guys know where Shauna gets her craziness from. From my dad.
That's our jerk pork all done.
Yes.
So we're gonna share, we're gonna eat.
Time to dig in?
Dig in. Yeah.
Dad, you're supposed to like break it down with me.
I ain't breaking nothing down. I'm gonna
Break
eat
it down.
I'm gonna eat my.
Guys, do you see this masterpiece? Do you see my face? I am so excited right now.
I'm gonna make my plate be pretty.
Make mine first. Can you share mine first?
Oh no.
Please. Rock, paper, scissors, Keisha.
This is my award. My award for. Look how clear this one is, guys.
So I'm here watching a movie with Keisha. The Android box is so dope. Like, we're just chilling watching bare new movies, huh? Yeah, it is a good investment. What is this one, Jason Bourne?
Yeah.
We're about to watch Jason Bourne and eat.
Has everything been explained?
So excited for food. There's nothing better than having a nice home meal on a Sunday. And of course my dad's gonna snap and decorate up his plate. And Keisha's masterpiece, her salad. Ooh, too bad we don't have mangoes, man.
I made a little side gravy. What I did was I took the juice from this pot here and I poured it in here. I add a little bit of ketchup just to thicken it up a little bit, and that's my side gravy to add to my jerk pork.
And that is the end of this vlog, guys. It was basically a cooking segment for y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely gonna incorporate my dad more in my vlogs. He said he wants to do it, so I'm gonna incorporate different dishes and stuff like that and different recipes. He maybe might give you guys his secret recipe to his pepper sauce. Maybe.
I will.
We're gonna try and do all the requested meals. We're going to try. Oxtail ain't cheap, people. Oxtail is not cheap, but we're gonna try. But continue to leave any recipes you guys want to see or any special dishes. Until next time, or until tomorrow I should say, see you in Vlogmas Day 12.